Hi Team Renegade, I am back and I am so sorry you guys didn't get a behind the scenes video last week, but this video will more than make up for it because I'm giving you guys all the tea as far as the designing of my spring summer 2020 upcycled fashion collection. That's a whole mouthful, but I am giving you guys all the tea because you guys know I can't keep a secret and I have to tell somebody. So you guys are my members only, so I am going to share it here. So I'll be putting some things on the screen as we go to share everything that is going on. You guys, I can't even tell you how excited I am to be doing this because I've wanted to do it so bad. And I don't know what we wait on, but you know, when we really want to do something. But I'm done waiting. Life is too short. And so here it is. The theme of the collection is determination against all odds. And I actually, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had a couple of tough days a few weeks ago, and you guys were so encouraging in the comments, just telling me to get up. And then after that, I posted a picture of myself wearing the Xena blue shirt, the one that says stay focused. And it just reminded me that I love fashion that encourages me to stay focused, to keep moving forward, to keep pushing, to keep pressing, you know, which is what I'm all about, which is what this channel and all my content is all about. So not just about fashion, but it's about, you know, being determined no matter what. So the theme, after I made those couple of posts, I thought about it, I'm like, yes, that's the theme. That is the theme for this collection. It is determination. That's what I've been battling. That's what, you know, this fight. It's everything for me right now is a fight because I'm almost like an underdog at this point, but you know, I am pressing and I'm determined. So that is the theme. And I was thinking about, like, you know, I do it all the time because I love having graphics and different things on my clothes that remind me of what I need to focus on. And so the collection will have some more of those things, so you guys look for those. You'll know when you see them. There will be more graphics on some of the items that are in the collection, like my mantras: rise up and be afraid and do it anyway, and stop talking and do it. So those are just some of the things that I've put on clothes in the past, and so you'll see some of those things once again, and some other graphics that just remind me, or you know, kind of when I see them, it gets my, no matter what I was thinking about, whether it was a bad thought or a discouraging thought, gets me back centered and focused. So it's gonna have some of those things. And another thing that is big for me is details. You guys know that about me. I went to architecture school in a very Miesian environment, and Mies van der Rohe said God is in the details, and I believe that. Like, just the simplest little things, you know, if you look in nature, and it's just some of the simplest little things that make you look and be like, oh my gosh, God is awesome. And so I agree, God is definitely in the details. And so I hope to be putting some of those things, just those little simple things that designers put in their clothes, and you're just like, I never would have thought to do that, but that is amazing. So I hope to be putting some of those things in there. And then some other words. I have my notes right here. Some other words, and these are actually my notes for the collection, but some other notes that I have is just, I want it to be fierce. And so I wanted a lot of vertical lines, like black and white. And black is going to be, it's going to have a lot of color. I don't want to say a lot of color. It's going to have color, but I want there to be a central theme of black vertical lines. It's definitely going to be athletic, intertangled with the very polished classic look, which is me completely. I want there to be some flowy elements, definitely straps, of course, and the colors, if you go on Pinterest and you look up trends 2020, it'll tell you what people have started to forecast for that, so you're not completely, you know, shooting in the dark. And so there is a color that they say is going to be maybe the color. It's called Neo Mint, and I'll put it on the screen. And I have a whole Pinterest playlist. It's private, but I'll put some of the images on the screen that show some of the colors that they're thinking are going to be big for spring and summer of 2020. And I definitely hope to incorporate, or will be incorporating, those colors, the Neo Mint, and some of the more the pastels, like a little bit more of like a grayish tone pastels. So I'm really into that. And some florals, definitely some florals, like I said, some flowy, definitely some very contrasting lines against that. So like the florals, contrasting lines. I'm super excited about that. But I am so excited to be on this journey and to have someone to share the actual behind the scenes. So next time I will be showing you guys some actual work. It won't be so much talking. But yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.